Hello everyone. In this video, I will walk you through my big data project based on New York City 311 service request. I will explain how the data flows through a pipeline from raw ingestion through a cleaning and finally visualization. This project uses MongoDB as a backend database and Python for processing the data and also Matplotlib for visualization. Let's first talk about fetching the data. I have fetched my data using the API and stored that in a bronze level over here. In raw, I named that file raw311. And after fetching the data, I used MongoDB as my big data tool and using PyMongo library, which is Python to connect the MongoDB. That is one library. I stored stored my raw data in my local server of MongoDB. I already connected it. This is my raw data, and I have like 100,000 raw data, and it shows 25 records on a one page. This is my raw data, and then I clean that data and I remove all the duplicate IDs and null complaints which were there in the data. And after that it shows like this, and also after cleaning the data I have like 100,000 records. The same I did, it did not remove even a single record. And that after cleaning that data I have stored my file as a CSV in my silver level. And after cleaning that, I have aggregate the data. Like I have done three types of aggregation. One is a top five complaints. Then another one is like how many different states have how many complaints. And last one is according to the time, how many complaints were there. Like in a month, I have done like of April 2025. So in that month, how many complaints were recorded. Let me show. I have like saved that CSV in my gold level. This just three are my CSV. First is a complaint, top five complaints. This all are illegal parking, noise residential, noise street, block driving, and heat hot water. Then I have like saved. This is my like different parts of how many complaints were there in the different parts of New York cities. So this all are, and I want complaints of 4th like April 2025. So I got the complaint counts over here. And after that, after this aggregation of data, I have created the visualization of data. In that I have used Matplotlib library. I didn't directly done this visualization from MongoDB, but I have used this 3 CSV file to create my visualization, and it looks something like this. This is a top 5 complaints, which I created a pie chart. And if I talk about different parts of New York City have how many complaints, I've created a bar chart, and I also created a point chart for the time complaints. And then if I talk about how I like how I think this course and this thing is like, then at first I started this course, big data seems intimidating, especially the idea of working with distributed systems or handling massive data sets. I don't know where to start or what tools to use, but this this project gave me hands-on to experience with building a real pipeline, collecting raw data, cleaning it, transforming it, and visualizing it. I now understand how a medallion architecture like bronze, silver, and gold helps manage data at each stage of processing. I also become comfortable using MongoDB and Python for data engineering tasks, which is something I could not have said a few months ago. Let's wrap up my big data project, and thank you for watching my video.